Step inside a home where Georgian elegance meets modern living. With its grand layout, classical details, and restored fireplaces, this space blends timeless symmetry with carefully preserved craftsmanship. Rachel Davies, as the designer of this project, was deeply rooted in the historical elegance of Georgian architecture. However, she was ultimately shaped by her signature vision of creating a modern country home. This approach meant blending the formal beauty and proportions of Georgian design. It combined these with the warmth, functionality, and understated charm of contemporary country living. At its core, the house would have embraced the key principles of Georgian design, particularly its emphasis on symmetry and classical proportion. The layout likely featured a grand central hall with rooms arranged in balanced wings, high ceilings, and spacious interiors. These elements offered both a sense of grandeur and a natural flow for modern living. Architectural details would have played a crucial role, especially in preserving the character of the home. Davies likely focused on restoring original millwork, ornate plaster ceilings with classical motifs, and fireplaces as focal points in the main rooms. The iconic sash windows of the Georgian period, large and multi-paned, would not only have been preserved but celebrated. They framed the surrounding landscape while flooding the interiors with natural light. To maintain historical authenticity and visual softness, the color palette would have leaned into muted, nature-inspired tones. Soft blues, sage greens, and warm ochres subtly enhanced the architectural elements without overpowering them. Layered onto this classical framework were the hallmarks of a modern country home. Rachel Davies ensured the house met the needs of contemporary living by incorporating open-plan spaces where families could gather. She also included dedicated rooms designed for both functionality and intimacy.